A village in mourning. Qunu is bracing itself to host one of the biggest events it has ever seen. The funeral of one of its own, the universally loved Nelson Mandela. The arena, which will accommodate the estimated 4,000 mourners at Madiba's funeral, has now been erected. And there is much activity and strict security at the gravesite where Madiba will be buried with his 3 deceased children.
Now all the roads are leading to Qunu, and this morning I was asked by one of the relatives, one of his goddaughters, she said, "Please, Butbantu," referring to me, please, you must talk to Madiba now. He must please forgive us. The rain must stop. We want to give him a big farewell." And one just bowed down and scanned the message, and now it's better. All the programs inside, marquee tents, the infrastructure is in full swing. I'm satisfied with the progress made thus far.
And as the focus of Nelson Mandela's final farewell moves from Pretoria to Qunu, people here have been paying tribute to him at the Nelson Mandela Museum in the village. Many of them kids who say they will always carry the memory of Madiba in their hearts.
Madiba was the first president to us on Qunu. He has 2 houses because I love him too. We love Madiba. I love him so much. This house is very good.
Rene Del Carme, CCTV, Qunu.